I want to bring in Jason Rotman, Lido or Lido Isle Advisors. I'm never quite sure which, Jason. But look, you've come to us with two stocks that you like to buy, that you are buying in these volatile times. And the first one, I believe, is Hershey, the chocolate people. Make your case.
Well, you know, Hershey is an interesting one. Hershey is one of the leaders not only in historically, obviously, global food, production with the bar and so many other brands, but what they're doing now, in addition to many other major conglomerates, Nestle, etc., is they're actually eating up, pun intended, the competition. They're buying new emerging health brands, and they are adding hundreds of millions of dollars to Hershey's bottom line. So Hershey is doing something very forward-looking, very innovative, and the stock is actually going up directly in the face of this recent volatility. I love the idea right now of buying Hershey today.
Oh, these are the kind of stocks that we like to hear about. Number one, Hershey. Number two, Verizon. Make your case there, please.
So Verizon, everybody knows who is involved in the market that Verizon has a juicy dividend. Right now, if you just buy and hold Verizon, you're getting paid 4% per year, more than the 10-year bond, more than the 30-year bond, and Verizon is hitting, I think yesterday they hit an 18-year high in the face of the market correcting 200 points down the S&P. So these are two stocks that could hold up your portfolio.
You got it. Okay. Now, another thing, I read your stuff. You're also saying that the S&P 500 will continue to fall and may drop, what, another 100 points? I believe you're saying 100 points down. Is that by the end of the year?
100. Yes, correct. Well, you know, listen, it's impossible to actually predict when something's going to happen, but I look at the charts and I look at where institutions are buying and selling. They obviously control the market, and I see the next major area, what I call a demand zone, 100 points lower. That's just what the charts are telling me. So you can make money on the way up with certain stocks, and you can actually also make money on the way down. Yeah,
what I like about your ideas here is the dividend play. At times of volatility, it's great to invest in a company which is going to pay you 4, 5, maybe even 6%, and that return is guaranteed, and you might even make a capital gain as well. I put some money into the Blackstone Group because it yields 6.25%. I'm told that Ford Motor Company, at $8 a share, has a 7% dividend yield. How about that?
Yeah, exactly. You know, people made tons of money, Stuart, in 2009 buying incredibly underpriced value stocks that still were paying dividends. And now, since that, since the crisis, the stock price has appreciated, and now they're getting essentially 10, 20% per year dividends because they bought correctly. And the dividends didn't go away because they're great companies.
Okay, Jason, we appreciate your information. Good stuff indeed. We'll see you again.
My pleasure.
Thank you, sir.